welcome back, friends. Today we have a fun fall crafts you can make with your kids. And we're starting with a wooden clothespin that you can find at the dollar store or even Walmart. We're going to use some brown paint, a paintbrush, of course, and we're going to use some scissors. We're also going to use different construction paper, a red, yellow, brown, and then kind of like an orangey one. We're going to use a cup so that we can trace the round part. And we're going to start by painting everything brown. We're just going to do one coat because it actually created a nice coat. And then we're going to put it to the side to let it dry. I recommend brown. You can also use light brown or even beige. While that's drying, we are going to trace the cup in the brown paper. And then we are going to cut it. Of course, I always mention this. It does not have to be perfect. It does not have to be exact. And then we're going to trace another one on the yellow paper and cut it as well. We're going to cut off about an inch from the brown one, and then we're going to place the yellow one right on top, leaving it about half an inch under the top and cutting the excess. We want the smaller one to be just a little smaller than the big one. Then we're going to make some little strips here. We're just going to cut the top maybe about 1/4 of an inch each. It does not matter, but of course don't cut all the way through. We're going to then use my fingernail and my fingers to just give it a little bit of a curl on the top strands. We're going to do that on both pieces. This part is actually optional, but I am going to hot glue both pieces together. You don't have to do this part because we are going to put the clothespin right on there. We are going to take the red paper and we are going to cut out a wattle for our turkey. Now, you can cut it as little or as big as you want, and it doesn't matter as long as it has a wiggly shape to it. And then we're going to use the orangey kind of tone paper to cut out a triangle for the beak. And I forgot to mention, we are going to be using some googly eyes. These are little tiny ones. All right, we're going to start hot gluing both eyes right next to each other. Then we're going to move on to attaching the beak and then the wattle right next to the beak. Our turkey is coming along so stinking cute. The only thing we need now is to attach it to all the feathers. And look how adorable he looks. Oh my word, of course you can add as many feathers, as many colors as you want. The possibilities are endless. I think it's such a fun craft you can make with your kids this fall season. Let me know what you think of this one. And as always, I have another video here for you with tons more crafting inspiration for you. Check it out. I'll see you later and have fun crafting.